Question number 7. Okay, so retinal scanning unit invited 326 patients to attend for checks, but only 287 attended. What percentage of patients did not attend? So we have none attenders divided by total times 100. Okay, so this is non-attendance. Okay, so we need to look at non-attendance. So 326 were invited and 287 actually attended. So we need to subtract. So 326 were invited. Take away those who attended. So these are the ones who came. Okay, it's 287. 6 take away 7 is not possible. So we borrow 1 from here, which is 10. 10 plus 6 going to be 16. 16 take away 7. It's going to be 9. And here there's 1 remaining. So borrow 1 from here. And 2 is remaining. So that 1 becomes 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 take away 8 is going to be 3. So this is the number that did not actually come to attend or did not attend. Okay, so 39. So the total is 326. Okay, so let's take this off. So what we have non-attendance 39. Total is 326, and we multiply this by 100 over 1. Okay, so we can divide 2 into here and 2 into here. So 2 into 3 is 1, and the remainder 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. 3 take away 2 is 1. We drop this 2, become 12, so it's going to be 6. That's 2 into 12. Remainder nothing. Then 2 into 6 is 3. And then 2 here is going to be, okay, is there any number that can divide into here and there? Okay. We have 13 here can go in. So 13 times 3. Yeah, so 13 going to go in here 3 times. But what about here? Let's see, because the only thing that can do this is because I know 9 times 7 is 63, but 9 times 3 is 27, so that's not possible. So what we're going to have, we need this multiplied by that. So we need 39 multiplied by 50. Okay. So what we can do, we're going to put 0 there and multiply by 5. So then 0 and then multiply by 5. And this will be exactly the same as the 390. 39 multiplied by 50. So 0, 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 9 is 45. We write 5. I like 4. I don't know why I like 4. We need to put 5 there, not 4. Okay, so we need 5. We have kept 4. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 90. Okay, so it's this number which we need to divide. Okay, so this number divide by 163. Okay, so 163. Okay, so 163 into 19 doesn't go. Into 1995 is 1. 1 times 163 is 163. Okay, if we subtract this, we'll have 5 take away 3 is 2. 9 take away 3, not take away 6 is 3. We drop 0. Okay, so if we drop 0 here, we have 163. 163. How many times can it go there? That's correct. Yeah, so it's 1. And 1 times 163. And if I subtract this, I've got a 10 take away 3 is going to be 7. And 12. Okay, I borrowed 1 here, so there's 1 minute. I borrow 1 from here, there's 2 remainder. And that 1 becomes 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 take away 6 is 5. And then 2 take away 1 is 1. Okay, so let me go up there. Okay, so what I have is now 157, and I have 11, and I have 163. So it doesn't go in there, it's going to be decimal point. Then I need to add a 0 here. So 1,570. I'll try 9, because if it's 10, it's going to be 1,630, which is much higher. So I'll have 1 less. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 6 is 54. 54 plus 2 is 56. I'll write 6, I'll keep 5. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is going to be 14. I borrow 1 here. Okay, so 6 limit. 10 take away 7 is it? And 3 is there's 6 remaining. 6 take a 6 is 0. And 5 take away 4 is 1. Okay, so then I add a 0. This is 1030. Okay, try. It means it's going to be less than that. I'll try 6. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 6, 36 plus 1, 37. 6 times 1 is 6. This is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Then it's bigger. I made a mistake here. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 plus 1, 37. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Yeah, 6 times 1 plus 3 is 9. Okay, let's take this off. Okay, so let's subtract those. So 0 take away 8 is not possible. So we're going to have borrow 1 here. So we have 2 remainder. 10 take away 8 is 2. 2 take away 7 is not possible. We're going to borrow from here. Okay, so there's nothing here, so we're going to borrow 1. Then there's nothing remainder. So 10 take away 1 is going to be 9 remaining. That one becomes 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 take away 7 is 5. Okay, and then we add 0. And obviously this is going to be 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. We subtract 10, take away 9 is 1. There's 1 remainder here because we borrowed 1. We borrow 1 from here, there's 4 remainder. So that 10 plus 1, 11. 11 take away 8 is going to be 3. Okay, so the answer is going to be 11.96 to 2 decimal places. Okay. Right.